When we arrived here in 2015, South Luzon Hospital pa siya. Tapos now, the Bengson Group, I think, took over or bought the hospital. They have massive improvement in the hospital. Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? I'm now at Medical City, South Luzon, formerly South Luzon Medical Center. I just had my derma consultation. Just decided to make video on the hospital scene, the medical scene around the New Valley or Super New Valley area. Technically, hindi siya New Valley, no? Ano to, just outside New Valley, part of the Greenfield commercial area. Just wanted to let you know that when we arrived here in 2015, South Luzon Hospital pa siya. Tapos now, the Bengson Group, I think, yung Medical City sa Ortigas, no, took over or bought the hospital. They have massive improvement in the hospital. I've noticed, dami mga departments. May mga wellness, may derma, two major hospitals near New Valley area. One is inside New Valley, yung QualiMed. QualiMed, I've had doctor's consultations there. So okay naman. So and blood works there. Pero yung sa mga hospital stay-in, being confined, not yet. I haven't had the experience. Doon ako nagpa-consult sa isang urologist doon. The doctors are, I think, top-notch since most of them have clinics in Asian Hospital, St. Luke's. So they go forth and back. They hold clinics here. Relay ko lang yung situation nung dati. I had a cyst had to be removed. So may urologist dyan ako sa QualiMed, no? Sa Ayala's brand of hospital. I had consultations there, pero sabi ng doctor, sana tayo magpa-operate sa St. Luke's sa QC. I don't know for what reason. He said he's just more comfortable there. I think yung na-attendan ko na briefing sa Ayala Estates, no, yung sinabi ni Rex Mendoza that they'll make yung QualiMed world-class, similar to Asian Hospital to St. Luke's. Because I feel there's so much opportunity in hospitals. The MVP Group nga, di ba, meron silang mga target bed capacities. They bought several major hospitals. As you can see in hallways of the doctors' clinics, palaging puno. Sa St. Luke's, QC, may line palagi. There are many instances, wala nang room. So there's really money to be made in that industry. Meron talaga. But of course, yung service ang issue dahil we have a brain drain, no? Nurse drain sa Philippines right now. Yun ang challenge, no, that has to be overcome. No, yun. So two major hospitals here in the New Valley, Super New Valley area. Itong Medical City South, which I think will be more improved. Ang laki na improvement, no? But they will keep on improving the facility. Yung QualiMed din. The diagnostic centers, si Medicard meron dito. Some other popular diagnostic center, they're all over. Emergency rooms, I've tried not intentionally yung sa QualiMed, okay naman sila. Pero yung sa confinement, the jury's still out. Merong not so good stories about South Luzon before. Ngayon, hindi ko pa alam. I have to make an objective survey on those who are confined here, yung service nila. So yun lang. So I think it's a major component in any community, yung very good hospital, especially yung mga retirees. So yun lang muna. Okay, Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay in faith. God bless. Thank you for the privilege of your time. Bye.